Okay, we got ourselves a 1984 El Camino. What's up, guys? Basically, we did a backup camera on this vehicle. Show you guys how the car is for those who not old enough to know what this is all about. This was a half car slash pickup truck. It was very popular back in the 80s. Now I guess they did it with the Jeep Gladiator type of concept. But yeah, this is a real nice vehicle. It's a nice collectible. So we end up taking off the mirror from 1984 and putting a modern one in. And then basically he wanted it so when he starts the car, you got the backup camera. He wanted it 24/7 while he's driving, only when the car's on. It has a Corvette motor in it. You know, it's all old school. But you know, some people like this type of stuff, which is nice to have. And if you got a garage and you can put these toys away, it's not a bad thing to have. So it looks like somebody redid the center console and the seats. So yeah, this is El Camino 1984, and we went ahead and installed a backup camera to this El Camino. Well, thank you for watching this video. This installation was done here in Miami, Florida on this backup camera. Our numbers are 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. And we thank you for watching this video.